Land Rover Defender 90 hardtop, brand new, delivery miles with the rear seat conversion. The rear seat conversion's been done with Land Rover seats, so it's got split folding rear seats, which split with Isofix, but they are Land Rover which match the front. It's in Santorini Black, it's got upgraded 20-inch wheels, it's VAT qualifying, it's very, very desirable, this car. It looks superb, but it's had the conversion done, so a lot of people are buying them and then adding the seats to them. It's done, it's ready to go. Give us a call, get it reserved. Hardtop commercial 90s in relation to spec. A lot of the things come as standard, you know, things like automatic lights. It's got the side steps which have been added. It's got surround cameras, front and back sensors. Now, I'll show you in the front first. So you've got two seats in the front, which you get on a hardtop. Let's start the car up. You get cruise control, heated seats. But I'm going to show you when I get out in a minute. But it's got the 5 seats, which I just think transforms the full car. First one I think I've had as well were genuine Land Rover ones. So you've got digital dials, so you can see everything on here, your maps, everything is done digitally. It hasn't got the fixed dials. Your automatic lights, multifunctional steering wheel. The camera system, as I mentioned, 360 camera system. You've got things like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, driver assistance, Alexa, things that are really, really good extras on other cars. 3 litre, 250 brake horsepower, diesel, hardtop commercial. I'm going to show you in the back, look at this. So, you can see, you've got your Land Rover seats. So just tilt that forward like that and let the camera come in. So then you have 3 seats in the back with seat belts, with Isofix, and they split fold, which I'll show you from the other way, and the genuine Land Rover seats. That's a big, big one for me. And I'll just show you around the rear. Spare wheel cover, and then into here. So you've still got boot space, but then look at that. So on a lot of the other ones, which are rear seat conversions, have got rear seats, but they're just fixed and like more of like a bench seat. So having that, I just think, makes a big, big difference. It's priced to sell. Even though it's got the seats, we've priced it on the money to sell. It's done pretty much delivery miles. If you want to get it reserved, the number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call.